Hello, super learners. Welcome back to Island Kids. Today, we're going to learn some words that end with the consonant sound MP. The letter M sounds and the letter P sounds P. When you put the two of them together, it makes the sound mp. So today, we're going to learn words that end with the mp sound, and then we're also going to use them in short sentences. In addition to all that, we will be learning the meaning of some words that also end with the mp sound. Are you ready? It's going to be a fun class. Let's begin. Our first word that ends with the mp sound is amp. Amp. An amp is a short form for amplifier. Do you know what an amplifier is? An amplifier is a machine that makes sounds louder. Great. Amp. Amp. Now let's make a sentence with the word amp. Dad turned up the amp to hear the music better. Can you repeat the sentence with me? Dad turned up the amp to hear the music better. Fantastic. Now let's look at the second word that ends with the mp sound. Wait a minute. Did you notice that we're looking at words that have a in the middle? Fantastic. Now let's look at 4 more words that end with the mp sound and have the a sound in the middle. As we know, the a sound is the letter A. Let's continue. K, a, mp. K, a, mp. Camp. D, a, mp. D, a, mp. Damp. A, mp. A, mp. Lamp. R, mp. R, mp. Ramp. Do you know what a ramp is? A ramp is a sloped path that helps people or things move up and down easily. Now, how about we make a sentence with the word ramp? The dog ran up the ramp to get into the car. Can you repeat the sentence with me? The dog ran up the ramp to get into the car. Great work, super learners. Now we're going to look at other words that end with the mp sound but that have the o sound in the middle or at the beginning. Our first word is ump. Ump. Our next word is ump. Bump. Do you know what the word bump means? A bump is a small swelling or raised area, or when something hits something else. Do you want to make a sentence with the word bump with me? Great work. I got a bump on my head when I ran into the door. Can you repeat the sentence with me? I got a bump on my head when I ran into the door. Fantastic work, super learners. Let's keep going. Dump. Dump. Hump. Do you know what the word hump is? Let me tell you. The word hump is a round, raised path on something like a camel's back or a small hill. Do you want to make a sentence with me with the word hump? Let's do it. This is a camel. It has a big hump that helps it carry water in the desert. Can we repeat the sentence together? This is a camel. It has a big hump that helps it carry water in the desert. Fantastic work, super learners. Now the last word that ends with the sound and has the o sound in the middle is jump. J o j o jump. Great work! You've done amazing. Now we're going to look at the last set of words that end with the sound, but they have the e sound or the o sound in the middle or the beginning. Can we begin? Let's go. E imp, e imp, imp. E imp, e imp, limp. Do you know what it means to limp? Limp means walking or moving slowly and unevenly because something hurts or something is soft or floppy. Let's make a sentence with limp. After I bumped my toe, I walked with a limp like a penguin. Can we read the sentence together? After I bumped my toe, I walked with a limp like a penguin. Great job, super learners! You've learned so many fun and useful words that end with the sound. Remember to keep practicing by listening and reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and teachers. See you next time on I Learn Kids. Bye!